Hi there, thanks for joining me again. When we're looking at filing an intercompany transferee under specialized knowledge, you have to understand that we have to prove at least 1 year of work experience in the last 3 years that you have this unique skill set or knowledge with the organization. Some of the examples in regards to how you can prove this are as follows. To be considered specialized, the knowledge should be essential to the special research program or whatever it is that you're transferring to. It needs to be essential. That's the key. Or to the person, or the person or the applicant who's being transferred should have expert knowledge regarding the company's materially different products or manufacturing processes. So if we look at this and we break it down, the key words here is they are essential. So they have to be essential to the company and to your job duty that you'll be performing when you are transferred. And the second thing that's extremely important in this definition is that you have expert knowledge in regarding to the company's material or whatever it is that you're going to be working on when you're going to be transferred. Now, to demonstrate this, you have to make sure you provide your credentials, your transcripts, your employment reference letters, your resume, things like this to prove that you do have this expert background, this expert knowledge that will enhance and benefit the company when you transfer to Canada. So add as many documents as you can to prove to the immigration officer your specialized knowledge. A lot of times what I see is applicants, when they file their own application, they come back, they say they did it, they got refused. And the reason why is because you didn't outline specifically the essentials of your job duties that you are required based on your specialized knowledge. So one other way of doing this, I mean, there's many ways of demonstrating your specialized knowledge, but one other way of doing it is you can outline in a very detailed Word document your day-to-day activities while you're transferred into Canada. So I know that means a lot of work and so forth, which is why we're here, but you have to make sure that the immigration officer looks at it and easily can see your specialized knowledge. One other thing that's important that you may want to consider is some documentation to prove to the officer that your intent is temporary in Canada and that you do intend to hire or train a current employee that's already in Canada so that eventually they can take over your position and that you can go back to your country and so forth. So it's very important, because that's why it's called a temporary work permit, that there is that next step of who's going to take over once you exit the country. If you're looking at filing a intercompany transferee work permit, give us a call today. We're here to help. Thank you. Until next time.